Hi, today I'm gonna tell you about new Freewell filters, because these filters called Hybrid VND CPL 3 to 7 stop 82mm filters. So what are these filters? Inside this bag we have the new filter system, and this is a VND and circular polarizer filter. What does it mean? I'll mount this on my camera to show you. So here I have a lens with a 72mm filter thread. In order to use these filters, I'll need step up ring from 72mm to 82mm. So I screw it in, and then I screw in the new filter system. And now basically I'm ready to go. These are magnetic filters because you can take it off just simply by doing so. Just pull it off or put it on, and that's all. But you have to install the base. This is the base that you have to screw in. What happens next? So I put it on, then I have the possibility to rotate it with two wheels. The first wheel is for circular polarizer, so when I'm rotating it like this, I am changing the polarization effect. And the second wheel is for ND filter. This filter is VND, it means variable neutral density filter, so you can change the density of filter from 3 to 7 stops. And truly speaking, this range is common for most situations. So what is innovative about these filters? In order to explain this, I'll show you the previous Freewell VND filters. These filters are almost 2 years old. Previous filters consist of two parts. You can change this, for example, this is from 6 to 9. I can take the other filter to make it from 2 to 5, like this. And by rotating this wheel against the base, I change its density. So this is a variable ND filter. You cannot control the polarization effect while using the variable ND filters. When you use this old system, and this old filter consists of two parts, and the new filter is solid, so you can take it off the camera, but you cannot separate one part from another. One more feature about these filters, that they are true color, which means that these filters should not change the color of your picture. So when you shoot with filters or without filters, the picture should remain the same. Also, the package includes two filter caps. One is here, so you can protect front element, and the other one puts on the back of your filters. Here you see letter A and letter B. It depends where you want to use it. If I want to put it on the filter system, I put with the letter A down and letter B upwards. The other usage for this cap, you may put it on your camera to protect your lens like this. This lens cap is solid and very durable. You can also upgrade this filter system by purchasing additional filters. And I have here the snow mist diffusion filter, which makes your picture more soft. The filter looks like this. I'll show you on the top camera. I'm not sure if you may see how this filter looks like, but I'll show you the results it produces. You may use this additional filter in two ways. You can either screw it in on the base that comes with this filter. Warning, you may not use this without this filter system. It is not possible to screw it on a bare lens. You need the base that comes with this hybrid system. When you screw it, it looks like this. In this case, it's not magnetic, it's screwable. The other use case is with this variable ND filter. So it's magnetic, I just put it in like this. And then the second filter is also magnetic. I put it here on the top of this filter system. Let's get to the bottom line. In my opinion, this new filter system is most suitable for event work because it is solid, simple to use, and relatively small. Because there is one more iteration of Freewell magnetic filters which looks like this. I use those filters now on the camera, and they're quite bulky and I would say feeble. Because there are many parts in this system, it is easy to accidentally throw something on your floor on the ground if you are not careful enough. Personally, I enjoy using these filters, but I use them only for studio work. K2 magnetic filter system is nice, but definitely not for event work. and the latest hybrid VND CPL filter system is suitable for both studio and events. And it has this new feature that the previous models didn't have. You can control the polarizing effect, which may be quite useful for photographers. And there is one more advantage of this system. It is the most cheapest of all. Its price is significantly lower than the other two filter systems. You can check it in the description below. And this is all for today's review. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.